Huh. How many ever policemen you have at home? A rowdy fellow like me only will be able to do some sort of job.
Yeah. One day you'll be encountered to death. That day I'll know your braveness.
You will encounter me.
Uncivilized barbarians.
Oh, is it you?
Hey,
Come inside.
hi sister, hi bro. Just came to check whether I'm alive or not, huh? Hey, take it, man. For this only you wanted to die, right? If you would have died now, people would have called you a fool. Look here, you also cannot do. Your father who's sitting outside, the cop, he also cannot do. Only I can do it, so I bought it. From now on, when I come, you say hi to me. If you don't know that, then ask from the elders how to respect the youngsters. Okay, shall I come?
Brother.
Now call me a brother. Mom. Mom really struggled a lot to get that money. Feeling very hungry, Mom. My friends are also waiting outside. They are also very hungry. Please give us some food.
We got the lost money. Your father is not at all even smiling for that. What dear,
Yes.
you're seeing like this? Come on, give it to them.
Okay, Mom.
Come on, have it.
Okay, have it.
Come
here.
on, you too have it. Why you're
Okay.
standing there? You also come and sit. Oh my God, what happened
Nothing,
to you?
Mom. Nothing, Mom.
Hey, what is this, dear? You might be a little bit careful
It's okay,
now.
it's okay.
See how the blood
Hey,
is
this is
bleeding now.
nothing.
You might have gone to hospital and come now. If anything happens to you, we might have lost you, no?
Give it back. Leave my leg. Leave my leg. Hey, come on.
Please don't do
Hey,
anything.
you know how to take the money and then spend and enjoy, huh? And you don't know how to give it back, huh? You're taking. I'll take away the child. You give me the money and then I'll give you the child. No, Hey, who are you, man? Snatching away the child and showing Gundaism? Huh? Hey, he has taken money from me for some marriage, and when I'm coming to ask money, he'll say, come tomorrow, come tomorrow. Then what will I do? I'll not take the child. Ask the child and go. What? Hand over the child here. Come on. Get lost, man. You look so puny and you're coming and playing with people like me. Hey, who do you call a puny man? Hey, what do you mean, right? What do you mean by taking? Hey, don't take the child. Hey, come on. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, give the child, man. Don't play with us, huh? You are not. Hey, you don't know about me. Hey, you don't know about me, who I am. Hey, who is there behind me? I'll come and talk to you. Hey, get lost, man. I don't want to know. Get lost, man. You're a big gangster, as if you are. Get lost. We'll mash your head off, man. Sister, don't worry. Even if he comes, we'll take care of it. Don't worry. Go and do your job and take care of it. As if he's a big bloody gangster. Let him come. We'll see him. Hey, buddy, buy me a cigarette, yeah? Oh, okay, dude. Hey, what man? He's asking for a cigarette and he's smiling.
Hey, his girlfriend is coming now. That's why.
Hey, what are you doing?
See, what is he doing?
Hey, stop,
Hey,
stop,
hey,
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 what are you doing? Come out. What are you doing, man? You are stealing in broad daylight or what?
Hey, this is my
Hey,
house.
telling a lie or what? I'll give you one now. What, dude? You always say that you don't have a house and you always find time to spend with us, right? Early morning without brushing your teeth, you have 10 buns, right? And that too cream buns. Rascal. Hey, when in his life has he spoken the truth? You are asking him all these things. Now only I got to know he's a big fraudster, man.
Hey, everybody shouting and yelling at you, and you are only going on laughing.
Everybody's asking, right? Don't you say or what?
Hey, he can't hear anything what we say or what? His ears are blocked or what? Let's go ask him.
Guys, there is a reason why do we keep a big door at the entrance
Hey, his
alone.
photo is here.
How
man.
much ever we grow, we should bow when we come inside the house.
Hey, he's giving a big lecture, man. Listen.
Sit
here.
down. Sit down, guys.
What, uncle? You have such a big house and you're sleeping with guys like us outside.
This is a very difficult place to stay alone.
Is there no one here or what?
Yeah, I had, but not now.
What happened, uncle?
I too had a family of wife and children.
What are you saying, uncle?
On my marriage day, all of us went to a temple, traveling in my friend's auto rickshaw. There was a lorry coming opposite to us. A sudden accident happened there. Because of that accident, I lost my family. Fate had separated my family from me. God was very cruel to me because I didn't die with him.
Uncle.
I thought I got a family, but I lost everything. After that, I have not cut my hair at all. Sometimes you guys try to make fun of me and play with me. Sometimes he used to ask me, don't you ever get angry in your life at all? I have lost everything in my life. Then why should I get angry? That's the reason I always tell I'm retired. I'm retired. That's what I tell. To be very frank, from the family life, I've retired long back. Guys, do you know something? If my children had been living with me today, they would have been just like you. I consider you as my children. That's the reason when I'm spending time with you, I always feel that I'm with my children. I'm not an orphan. I'm not an orphan. When I die, you will have to do the cremation for me because you're all my family. I hope I've not told anything wrong.
What, uncle? You are so deeply hurt.
You are not like
Why, uncle?
children.
Don't worry, uncle.
children
We are there,
only.
right? We are here, right?
A super figure wearing an orange saree.
What
is
did
going-
you
Oh
say?
my God.
From back you're feeling like a figure and front you're calling me a sister, huh? I'll stamp you, idiot.
I will never see your back again.
I'll kill you,
Yo,
rascal.
man. Why is that lady always behind you, man? What is your problem with that lady?
Hey, order for tea and you mind your own business, man.
Hey, man. First reveal the story and then order for tea.
Hey, leave it, man. You're all small guys now. Why should I?
Bro, please tell her. Please tell her. We are
No,
asking
yaar, I
about
cannot
this.
say.
Hey,
man.
say,
You're
man.
all
I'm telling you,
small
no.
guys.
Hey, say, man.
2 years back, I went to look for a bride in this lady's house. Don't worry about the dowry and all. See if you like the girl or not. What are you doing, man? Leave her, man! Leave her! Leave her, I say! Why are you shouting like a jungler in the house, man? What, man? I called you to see my girl and you're whacking my wife and going over. Oh, the ladies have changed or what? Hey, you didn't know that itself or
Okay,
what?
leave it here. He's so powerful.
You should be.
Sister! Then from then on, they started hating me. They started fighting among themselves. Then she started going around with other people. Huh. Based on the situation today, she is the leading superstar here in our place. 3286848484. That's her number.
Uncle, please dial her number and give her.
You will not get a date so fast, dear. Sister is always busy.
Who had it, you buddy?
There, the fellow is sitting there.
Hey, I didn't do this knowingly, man. It
These
just
guys,
happened.
these guys seems to be a small children playing in the cricket ground. Did they beat you? It's unbelievable.
Yes, brother.
Hey, you guys, come here.
Oh, yo, my God. He is a very dangerous fellow, man.
That we'll talk and see who he is, now.
Oh,
Come.
I cannot come with you guys, man. I will escape. Where are you going, man?
It seems there's going to be a big problem, na?
Hey, there is a problem now, right?
Yeah.
Based on this, there will be another problem.
yeah.
We will see what that problem is.
Okay.
You keep quiet here. Always maintain a mentality for giving first aid.
Hey, bro, it's your brother or what, bro? We didn't know, bro. If we knew, we would have hit him or what?
Is that so?
What is the doubt, bro? You're such a very big person, bro. You control so many gangs, bro. We are small fellows here, actually, who do small things. That you should not take it seriously,
You
right?
bloody uncivilized barbarians trying to show off in front of me? Bloody buggers!
Don't try using your muscles, sir. Then we'll also retaliate later.
What will you do?
Hey, what is your plan, man? You are hitting on everyone.
Bugger, you have guts to keep your hand on me? Bloody bugger!
Hey, stop it! Why are you hitting them? It's a small
You're
problem with the
also
younger
with it.
generation.
Trying to act as a spiritual person and playing with these guys.
Hey, brother. If you are small or big, we show him right now.
Hey, now the problem is going to catch fire from here.
Hey, bro, you just want to know whether we are big or not, right? Our deeds will speak for that. Now, see. This will show whether we are big or small. When we were talking, you used your hands, right? Now take this from us. Now see we are big or small. And one more thing. Now if you're going to talk too much here, now you're going to get it really nice from us. Get out from here. Get out. Get out. They are under intoxication, brother. They themselves do not know what they're going to do next, brother. We'll leave now, brother. We'll take care of them later, brother. What, buddy? You're simply sitting and talking that your brother has been stabbed by these fellows? Huh? First you should stab them and then come and sit here, right?
Cool, buddy. These days, youngsters think that showing some style is bravery. I know what to do with them. I'm just waiting for an opportunity to take revenge on them. When those guys attacked my brother, I remained silent. I will destroy them, not one, but the entire group.
That's the point. come. Yeah, welcome.
Hi, sir.
Welcome. Please come. Yeah, please come. Welcome, everybody.
Buddy,
Yes, bro.
keep the vehicle ready, no delay.
Yes, boss.
We have to finish him off and then go to the shop nearby police
Right,
station.
sir.
Hmm.
The Arun's friend wants to talk to you separately. Please come inside.
Okay. Come.
Yeah, bro.
Hi, son.
Good morning. I want to talk to you separately.
What's the matter?
It's a very important matter. Come.
Yeah, come. What is the important matter, son? Why are you closing the door, son?
Hey! If the sand is taken from the shore, or if they break the stones, what is your problem? Do you want to see how the way you're getting killed now, sir?
Hey, who are you, sir? What are you trying to do?
Oh my god.
Hey, stand up, man. Hey, you
Why
said
did
the
we
bus
get on
takes
the
the
same
circular
bus
route.
here? That is, we have come here to do a job.
What job?
A hotel job.
Oh.
That's why we should go around and see the people in this place. This is all business secret.
Promise.
Promise.
Hey, bro. Bro, just keep this. I'll take it when I get out. Sorry, sir. I don't have time to do my own job. Taking care of the bag is out of question, and then you will say things are missing. I didn't mean to hurt you. The place is like that. Sorry.
Hey, give me that bag. We have to keep it very safely.
And then?
Excuse me, can you keep this bag? I'll take it from you.
Four idli and 4 types of chutney.
What happened? Why are they not picking up my call?
Who is that? Leave my sari.
Who's that?
Hey, we have been coming here for a long time.
Hey, why, man?
I gave the bag to a girl, now she became an old lady.
Hey, she's an old lady only.
Huh? What? Yeah, that's right.
Then that girl. Then that bag.
Then our boy. Hey, just a second. Hello, boss. My dear brother. Yeah, tell me, boss. Where are you? Yeah, our bus, it is taking some time. Until then, have a dosa. We'll come. Listen, by the time boss finishes eating, we should get
What
back.
if we don't get?
Until we get the bag, we should make him eat. Oh my god.
Sir, what
You
about
can
the
take
bill?
it. One more dosa for me. Go, man. Oh. Oh my god, he's calling again.
Give. I'll talk.
Hey, what happened? Why is he screaming?
Why did you call again, boss?
There is no dosa, only puri and pongal. I was confused. What should I have?
That's why you were shouting, boss. See, when you are confused, you actually toss a coin, right?
Hello. How did he know that I got confused?
We have understood you so well, boss.
That is very good.
Simply toss the coin, boss.
Okay, but now... I don't even have one coin to toss with me. Tell me, what should I have?
Oh no!
I thought head will come in the coin toss, but I didn't think your head will get injured. Listen, I had given a bag to a girl over there. She's not there now.
She just alighted 2 stops prior to this. If you get down now, you can catch her.
Okay, get down.
Get down. Hey, get fast.
Hotel bill, current bill and hospital bill together 4,000 rupees, okay?
Yeah, I'll get you the money.
Where are you going?
Right here. I'm not getting enough signal.
When will we get?
Right now.
Mm-mm.
Hello. Hey, where are you guys? I had only 4 idlis, but I have 4,000.
4 idlis, 4,000. Boss, which means 1 idli, 1,000. So 10 idlis will be rich.
There is no need for all this mathematics. Where are you guys right now?
Here we are on the way, boss. We are coming
Huh?
running to you, sir.
Hey, I saw you guys. It's all right. Come very slowly. You are only this much and you are... Yeah, tell me, how much is this shop? I will buy it in single payment. Hey, where are you guys running? Stop. Guys, I'm here. I'm here.
Somebody with our boss's voice is shouting.
Please stop running.
Stop
Hey,
them.
please
Sir, it's
stop
our boss
running.
only.
Hey, I'm here.
You say you're going behind them, but you're running away.
What did you tell me? This coming January, I'm 40 years.
Hey, are you trying to escape from here? Having food and not paying the bill, but talking too much.
Come here.
Hey, no point talking to him like this. Take him, man. Take him,
You
man.
need
Take
not
him.
go anywhere.
Hey,
Let him come.
This bloody frame is hurting. You first throw it
This
away.
is boss's father, man.
Hey, you and your bloody father, throw it. Stupid fellow, man. Where he comes from?
Hey, look at him for the last time.
Hey, just leave it.
Eh,
God knows what,
what are
I'm
you
going to
thinking?
tell
Throw
boss.
it, man.
Big boss, if I keep you here only, nobody will touch you.
If you keep him anywhere, nobody is going to touch him.
Huh?
Come on, guys. He's wasting his time on him.
Hey, you said your friends are coming? Just call them and tell them to come.
I'm
Nice.
They are out of reach already.
Hey, Narendra, escape. Yeah, mobile may be out of range, but you have to be inside. Come inside.
Get him.
Useless
Get
fellow
a rope,
trying
I'll tie
to
him
cheat.
inside.
Which girl are you searching for? Say clearly.
That girl, she's really beautiful. You know, her eyes are like,
Hey, you came to search for the girl or the bag? Boss, you keep quiet. You say, sir.
if you see her while walking, you will know what I am talking about. And when she laughs, it's like singing. It is so melodious.
Bro, I am only able to hear what you say. A blind man like me itself is able to dream. Hey, hold properly, tightly.
Hey,
Who are you?
huh?
How are you there?
Hey, don't you remember me? I gave you my bag.
That's right.
It was me.
Why did you come here?
Ask
Did
her,
you have
man.
breakfast?
Huh?
Hey, we didn't eat anything, man.
Once if you don't eat, it's okay. I wanted to tell you, you look really great in this dress.
Hey, that's a school uniform and everybody wears that only.
Hey, I know that, okay?
Hey, ask for the bag, man.
Yeah, I will ask. We have just come now. I want to ask you something.
Ask, man.
You should not get angry.
Huh?
I gave you a bag when we were in the bus.
Yeah.
Have you kept it somewhere?
Ask her if she took the bag or not.
Yeah, oh.
Ah!
Hey, the bag I gave you, did you miss it?
You lost it.
Yeah.
I
If
can't,
you
man.
Lost
I
it.
can't.
It has 2 lakhs rupees.
Huh? 2 lakhs? If the money went missing, you should have complained to the police then itself.
How can we complain against you?
Huh? Why complain about me? You should have given a general
In that
complaint.
tension, we didn't think of
Okay,
it.
come, we'll go and file a complaint now.
Drive carefully, man. If he hits, there is no problem for him. Only the car will be damaged.
Why you are giving that back now?
Go home.
We came till here, now we go
I
and go.
told you, listen to me, just go home.
Sir.
Both of them are in the temple here right now. If you can come right now, we can kill them.
Which temple?
Welcome. I'm Mr. Rajaram, this temple CEO.
hi, hello.
What should I do for you?
You the one who filed for a stay order for the new shopping complex in town?
I'm not the only one who's bought that. All of us from our area got the stay order for that. Parking is very important, right?
Right.
Ah.
Actually, I came for that.
Okay.
And actually, behind the shopping complex, you have a house there. Are you planning to give up that place? The parking issue will get resolved and you can also do the inauguration. If you can just say the price, then we can actually go for a deal.
No. I don't have any idea to sell that. Not only that, it is our ancestors' property. I just have one daughter alone. Whoever is going to marry my daughter, he will get that property and the building.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. What is your daughter's age?
Hey, why are you asking this?
Huh?
Temple puja is over. Prasad will be given. You can have that and leave the place immediately.
Hey, You know who we are,
I
right?
am not bothered about that. Prasad is for everyone. Just eat it and leave the place, okay? Clean it properly, man.
Hey.
Huh?
Since I have come, I am going to pray. Not for me. Just for you.
స్వామియే శరణమయ్యప్పో హరిహర సుధనయ్యనయ్యప్ప స్వామియే శరణమయ్యప్పో స్వామియప్ప అయ్యప్ప
స్వామియప్ప అయ్యప్ప స్వామియప్ప అయ్యప్ప స్వామియప్ప అయ్యప్ప స్వామియప్ప అయ్యప్ప
I'll again get him.
అయ్యప్ప స్వామియప్ప అయ్యప్ప
స్వామియప్ప అయ్యప్ప
The head has to be steady.
Hey,
Head
be
has
at
to
the
be
leg,
steady.
be at the leg.
Just a minute. Don't torture his head. What he's saying is right. He's got to go to school, right? Slightly shave his hand and finish the custom. He's left us alone. Arun, get up and drink this tea.
No, Dad. I'm not in the mood.
Get up, Arun. Each and every life on earth has to die. If there is luxury, there has to be a disaster. We have to overcome all that. That's life. At the age of 18, to feed my family, I joined the military. I didn't have enough education. At 20, since I joined the BSF, your mother, who was actually a graduate, got married to me. Only after my marriage, I started liking my job. At 22, when I came to my native, you were born. Maximum, I would have stayed with my wife for about 30 days. I spent my major life at the border. My remaining life, I thought I would spend happily with you people at home. But your mother left me. Since I was born, I have only seen disaster.
Dad, I'm always there for you.
For 17 years, you have lived with your mother's love. Her demise is a big loss for you, I know. I shall try and fill your mother's space. Forget everything and study well. As per your mother's wish, study well and become a teacher. Get married. Your mother will take rebirth as your daughter. Now just have this. Sir, post! Good morning, sir. Yeah. There is a registered post for you from the military, sir. Here, sir. Please put a signature here.
Owing to your service, government has given you 5 acres land, Dad.
Where? You keep moving there. Hello, sir. Hello. I stay there only. Oh, I see. How long are you here since? I'm here for the last 20 years. Is it?
Arun? Arun?
Arun?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
Dad, I can feel Mom's presence here, Dad. We build a house and settle here itself.
Sure, son. We'll start the work soon.
Thanks, Dad.
Your happiness is everything for me.
Come on, Dad.
Just 5 minutes left. Everybody submit your papers.
Arun, the exam was hard, right?
It was easy for me.
It's always easy for you. I didn't write it properly.
Don't worry, leave it. Without education, everyone becoming great. You'll be like them.
Where are you going for vacation?
My dad is building a house in the nearby village.
Is
We
it?
are going there. You?
I have never been to any other place. I'm like a frog in the well.
What if I said, I'll drop you at your home?
Even I really want to. But if someone sees, they'll say something.
Sundari will change a lot.
If we like someone, we should change, no? Okay then, don't get late. Take care of your health.
Take care of yourself too.
I'm leaving then.
Come here.
Turn there, turn
Here. Have this sweet. Have it. It's only Arun's mother who was unfortunate. Please have.
This house represents your mind. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Please have. You missed 5 marks for maths, huh?
Don't worry, you'll get passed next time.
Praise the Lord Jesus.
Good evening,
Good
Father.
evening, my dear children. How many marks have you scored, dear?
1155.
Good. Max, 100%. MTC, you have scored above 95. You can try for engineering. Good luck, my dear.
No, Father. I want to be a teacher like my mother.
You want to become a teacher? Not required, dear. It's a very tough job.
It's my mom's wish, Father.
Nowadays, this is a very difficult profession, my dear. I would suggest you join some professional course and start learning. You can earn good income also. You can see me suffering, right?
Father...
Think and decide. I've got a lot of work. God bless you, my dear.
Father, I have doubt. Please tell me this time.
What?
What is mean by tease?
Don't play with me.
What is mean by mass?
Don't make me angry.
So you are the tease mass master.
Hey, I'm telling you, don't make me angry. What do you think of... Because of you, I'm going to get transferred and leave this place. Jesus, forgive me, my Lord. Jesus, forgive me, my Lord.
Arun,
Huh?
I heard you want the first rank.
What about you?
I got 0 in everything.
Leave it. Only education is not the future for you. You can do something else.
You won't forget me, no?
Even if I want to, I can't. The things that we make, that makes me laugh.
These days I don't fight with anyone. I'm even friends with my grandmom.
I have your Rajamanikyam. I'll give it to you back tomorrow.
Let it be with you itself. Keep it carefully. At least then you'll remember me, no?
By the way, I'm the one who writes I love you, which I gave you.
I know.
But I have to study, have to get a job.
Whenever you remember me, please come home.
Definitely I'll come. My dad number is 94444 87963. Call me when you're free.
Okay, I'm taking this pen as your remembrance.
Don't forget me to invite your marriage, okay?
Okay, I have to leave now.
Bye.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll meet again.
Okay, I'm going then. Bye.
Okay, fine. Bye.
Bye.
Dad, do you know one thing? I got first rank.
Very good. Superb. Come sit, let's go. What's that girl's name?
Sundari, Dad. She's my friend. Classmate.
During our days, even looking at a girl was a big sin. You guys are having fun. Lead a jolly good life and always happy. You've actually scored good marks. You can go for teacher's training after your graduation,
No, Dad.
right?
I'm gonna join now in Teacher Training Institute. If I join now, I'll get job in 2
In
years.
that case, you can apply to each and every place in our district.
Dad!
A second injury on the same wound. How is this happening to you alone, man?
Everything might be for the good. Since the old wound was hit again, they could remove the old bullet away.
This is very fortunate. As soon as you get discharged, come to the temple and perform a ritual for the goddess.
By God's grace, my son was not wounded much.
How long will it take for you to get up and walk?
It might take minimum 6 months. Till then, I do not know how to manage with the household affairs. Please see if I can get somebody for the household job.
Arun, Sharad told me that you're here in the hospital. You're fine, no?
Dad had so bad.
How are you now?
There are 13 stitches. The pain is unbearable.
You'll get well soon.
Dad,
Hmm?
if Sundari says something, it'll happen, Dad.
She was very feared as soon as you got injured. That's why I brought her here.
I've got organic chicken soup for you. Please have it.
I have my lunch now. I have it a little later.
Arun, aren't you getting bored just sitting here? Just take her around.
No, Dad. Okay, Sundari. I can manage here itself. And I get it back by tomorrow, okay?
Uncle, please take care.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Swapna, are you okay? Swapna? Why are you behaving like this? Come on, get up. Swapna?
Hey, stupid. Let's play. What happened to you? Why are you laughing at me? What? Why are you laughing? No. I didn't do this. Oh, God. No, it's not me. It's not me. How dare you do this to me? It's not me. You only do something to me. It's not me. I won't do like that. I don't know how it happened, yaar. Why are you laughing?
You're that ghost.
Am I ghost?
Yeah.
Why you came to sleep with ghosts? Get lost.
Oh, get lost.
Stupid. Hey, what are you doing?
We could not get any footage of the ghost. I'll put this powder here. Maybe we'll be able to get its footprints. Let's hope for the best. I'm sure we'll get him this time.
It's a good idea.
Let's sleep. Are you happy?
Happy.
Let's sleep peacefully now. Look, Swapna, look.
Hey, hey, hey.
Come. Hey, look, the footprints are leading to Komari's room.
Hey, it's okay, go inside.
Hey, why should we go inside? When the ghost comes out, I'll smack him with this bat.
Why? Are you scared?
No, Komari must be sleeping inside. We should not disturb her.
Then you're not scared.
Ah? Scared? Who, me? No way. I'm the last person to get scared.
Then why your legs are shaking?
Oh, that's nothing. Just a nerve problem. Let's wait
If
here.
something happens to that girl, we are the responsible.
Oh, Swapna, what if it attacked me?
Now you're going inside or not?
Oh, Jesus, please save me. Help me. I'll go inside.
Just go.
Oh. I can't see anything. It's too dark inside.
Switch on the light.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Who's that? Oh my god, what a shit, yaar.
Is it you?
Is this the way to sleep like this?
This is my room. I'll sleep anyhow I want. Why did you guys come here?
Nothing. Just want to know how the steps came from my room to your room.
Oh, that. I heard some noise in your room. That's why I came to see what is it. You guys were sleeping. I did not know what was it. That's why I stamped it on and came.
Hereafter, step properly and carefully, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hereafter, sleep properly, okay?
What?
I told the door. What are you seeing there? Just go.
We have to leave. Okay.
Ravi. Hey. See, Ravi. Your face.
Hey. Your face.
Good morning. What happened whole night, dear?
Hey, why did I have to sleep on the terrace last night? Mosquitoes bit me.
What? Am I looking like a top floor?
Hey, I was shivering in the cold last night. I just came down from the terrace. Stop irritating me.
Don't lie at me. Whole night you are with me.
Stop lying, Swapna.
I am not lying, okay? I mean, you were whole night with me only.
How did I land up in the terrace then, Swapna?
Arre, what? Yeah, you are saying again and again to me same the thing.
What? Wait. Oh my god! Oh no! How could you do this to me?
I really don't know, sweetheart. You very well know, na. I slept as well as na. I thought it was you. I really don't know how it happens. I told on that day itself, na. Even though if we can't sell this house, at least we have to vacate it. Did you listen to me?
Oh, just disconnect the call. I told I can't. Just.
Good morning, brother.
Tell me. You.
My name is Shakti. Big brother's son. I'm sure you've heard of Big Brother.
Heard of him?
You know the biggest builders in this area come and visit my father? Nobody can do business without seeing him. But you haven't come and seen my father even once.
Why should I want to meet you?
You're a builder, right? That's why you're arrogant.
Oh, don't talk too much. Tell me now, what do you want?
Hey! How dare you? Don't talk to me like that. Don't forget where you are. This is our area. We only give orders.
What I want to do?
Ah, that's good. You've come to the point. Tomorrow get 20 lakh rupees, give it to my father and you can leave, okay?
20 lakhs?
Huh? 20 lakhs is nothing for you. Yesterday you paid 2.5 crores and registered a property. 20 lakh rupees is peanuts for you.
Listen, it's really my hard-earned money. I struggled a lot.
I know it's hard-earned money, but don't you pay taxes for all the hard-earned money to the government, huh? Get the money tomorrow. Don't forget, sir, we are the ruling party. You have to give those 20 lakh rupees.
If I not agree?
Whoever has refused in the past, sir, have lost their lives. I want you to get the money tomorrow, okay?
Daddy! Dad, I got caught in the crowd. That's why it got delayed.
It's okay. Come, we'll go.
Maybe I should take a flat from this builder and occupy it with his daughter. She's so beautiful, so sexy, so hot.
So you are occupying now itself?
Hey.
Good morning. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Inspector, sir, please save me. You can only save me.
Tell me.
My name is Premnath. I'm the proprietor of Quality Builders. At present, I'm constructing a Lakeview apartment.
Why are you talking to him? The inspector will take care of your case.
Why? You get increment for each case? This is a public problem. Everybody can inquire. Even you can. Don't separate the department. You start, sir.
Sir, if I need to do the construction now, they want 20 lakhs bribe, sir.
Who?
Big brother's son, Shakti.
Okay, write a complaint.
Give him a paper and pen. He has to write the complaint, right?
Good morning, sir.
Attempt to murder case, sir. You want to file a complaint on Big Brother's son Shakti.
Complain against Shakti? But Shakti is a good guy. He'll not waste time talking to you. He would have killed you at once. Instead, he's threatening you. That means he's going soft on you. You're very lucky.
Oh, sir, what you're saying?
Hey, they are terrible people. You can write a complaint with paper and pen. But to be a witness, you should be alive. Don't go to the court. Just talk and finish it off.
Why in amicable manner, sir? He's ready to file a complaint against an accused. Why don't we take action against him?
So, if he gives a complaint, we have to take action at once.
Yes, sir.
Hey, officer, when I was not in the station, he spoke something ill about your caste, right? Are you willing to complain?
Yes, sir.
What, officer? Shall we take action?
Sir, it's not true, sir.
Hey, you don't know who this guy is, but you'll believe him. And he's working with me from a long time. Why shouldn't I believe him and take action?
Sir, please solve this problem. I can't give money at present, sir.
This is what I wanted, and your problem will be solved. We will talk and solve it.
Hey Shakti.
Tell me, Pandya.
What is this atrocity? You're demanding 20 lakhs and threatening the builder? Then how will we get apartments in our city? And how will our country develop? And when will we become a superpower? Threatening to kidnap the family for everything is a terrible thing to do. Sir, has your wife gone to the temple? Yes, sir. And your father, has he gone to the bank? Yes, sir. How do you know that, sir? Shakti, don't be in a haste. He's an elderly man. Leave him. Don't do anything.
Okay, he has a daughter.
What? A daughter too? Oh God, what happened to my daughter, sir? Sir, if at all you wanted a child, you should have had a boy. Or at least a okay-looking girl. But she seems to be good-looking. Sir, please solve this problem, sir. Shakti, 20 lakhs is a bit too much.
Okay, Pandya. Ask him 15.
That's the deal. This will be right. Builder, there's a good news. He said 17 is enough. And he has promised that there's not going to be any damage to your family. Don't you worry.
Sir, this is atrocious.
Is it so? Hey Builder, you don't have to give a penny. After they gang rape your daughter and throw her in the trash, this gentleman will come and get married to her. You can leave.
No, sir. I'll give 17 lakhs surely.
Don't you want him as your son-in-law?
Sir, please save my family, sir. I promise you I'll give you the money.
Very good boy. Give the 15 there and 2 here. It's already too late. They'll shut the bank by 2. Get going.
Okay, sir.
Go.
Sir, what is this, sir? I thought you will arrest, but you're supporting a criminal.
Arrest? Who? Shakti? Come in. In here, how many people can you lock down?
10 people.
What about some more?
25.
What about a bit more?
Maximum 50.
500 of them will come. If you arrest Shakti, they'll all come here. Where will you put them?
May not be enough place to keep them. There's a lot of place to bury them.
All these brave words will last till your shirt is crisp. As days go by, like a cotton shirt, your duty consciousness will shrink. Forget all this law and order and try to get your love in order. That is more exciting. He loves duty. What a pity.
Sir, why are we here? Is there any inquiry?
What inquiry? This is our headquarters. Don't you understand? This is Big Brother's house.
Nanda, you're really a lucky guy. As soon as you've joined, you've come here. Do you know how long it took for me to come here? What to do? You've got a great senior officer like me, but I didn't get that opportunity. It's okay. Come, let's go.
Sir, I'm not coming. You go.
Why?
Sir, a policeman can step inside a criminal's house for 2 reasons. 1, for an inquiry, or to arrest him. But not for a handshake, sir. I'm not coming.
Did I ask you to shake hands? Look, I'm your senior, and you're getting paid every month for following my instructions. I'm asking you to come, let's go.
Don't stand here and wonder, come with us.
Greetings, big brother.
Come, Pandya.
Greetings, Big Brother.
Good constable, are you fine? Who's the new cop? All strict and clean.
New officer, Nanda is the name.
Welcome, brother. When someone greets you, it is our culture to greet back. Don't you even know that?
I didn't come to see you. I just come with my senior officer, by his instruction.
Come on.
Relax, Pandya. I think he's come to the department with a goal. That is why he's all strict and steady.
According to me, police job is not a job. It's a boon. And this uniform is my penance.
Sounds like kindergarten rhymes.
Sir, with your permission, I'll wait outside.
Big brother, don't mistake him for what he said. I'll take care of him.
Be clear about one thing. I'm not bothered if someone doesn't support us, but he shouldn't revolt against us.
Yeah, forget it. Why did you ask me to come? Tell me.
Constable, see the accountant and take whatever you want.
We are 3 people, Big Brother. Look at
What the
it.
bloody hell? Why do you talk like a beggar? How many ever people you are, take it for them.
You're very generous, Big Brother, as usual.
Pandyan, somebody would have come to you to complain about Shakti, huh?
I spoke to him over phone and solved the issue.
Well, you have spoken, but he has not kept silent.
What are you saying?
He's brought in a henchman from Madurai called Dokuravi. Look into it and take care of it.
You want me to discuss or finish it?
First offer him something. If he doesn't accept, finish it.
Why are we taking rear entrance, sir?
Back door is the best way to solve certain things. Come.
Good morning, sir. What are you doing here? There's no one here.
Hey, I want the room number of the people from out of town.
302 and 310. But they're only men, sir.
Get going. Officer, you stay right here. I'll go alone and take care of it.